morning, and another day of paint pouring. As you can see, I've got everything laid out here, assuming you can see it with my video height that I've got. I'm going to try something different again, and I know I've got quite a bit of paint here for such a small surface, but I'm going to try some open cups, slip and slide, and two different colored bases, black and white, and some spring colors, I hope. So let me get ready here and get these going, and I'll be right back. Okay. Alrighty, I know what you're thinking. What is he doing? And the answer is, he doesn't know. So, here I go. I'll try to speed this up so it doesn't take forever. And the big question is, do I want to put the greens with the white or with the black? And I think I'll put them with the whites. And this is going to be a very interesting, crazy result. I know. And I probably have too much paint, possibly, for such a small canvas. But what the heck? Do we really care? No. I don't see anything squishing out the bottom here. What's going on? It's supposed to be coming out the bottom. Hey, I know what it needs. Some secret sauce. Oh yeah. A little bit of this magic elixir. Okay, that one's got lift off. And let's try some more green here. Come on. You can do it. Oh yeah. Now some dark. Ooh. Hey, settle down, settle down. A little more light. A little dark. A little light. Hey, how about, I know what you're thinking, why doesn't he put some Payne's Gray in that? Well, that's a good question, so I think I will. Man, oh man, do I have a mess going. This is kind of exciting. I'm going to put a little more of the light violet and I don't know, I'll try a little of this muted green. Okay, I'm gonna, and magic white. Guy can never have too much white. This is that secret elixir stuff that I've got all kinds of stuff in that mixed in with the we'll spit it out, Richard. The Amsterdam white. Now, if this isn't a goofy thing I've got going here, I don't know what is. Will you look at that? Okay. I'm not going to use that. Something tells me I better put my other glove on. Okay, bad boys. Let's set these over here. Get my paints out of the way. And tip and tilt. Whoa. I got a big enough bubble there in the middle that it looks like there may be a frogman hiding in the bottom. I guess I better get... Whoa, dude. My dear... Oh, look at that bad boy pop. Okay. I've got that one. Okay. Let's do some more. Well, I got a big glob of something there that looks like... Whoa. That was a big goober. What the heck's that from? Don't tell me my Floetrol had a hockey in it. There, that's better. Okay. Okay, time for this. Huh. Okay, back in the middle. I don't know what I have got here. So far, I don't think it's all that exciting. But you never know till you finish. All I'm doing is just trying to get the canvas covered at the moment, and without losing too much paint, so then I can really dribble it off in whichever direction I want to go. Just put it back in the middle here. I have got some really strange land masses in this thing. I don't know what it is, but it's not coming out. There we go. I don't know what they are. Looks like, as Arnold Schwarzenegger would say, it's a tumor. Anyway, here we go. Come on. I hate it when things don't work right. Okay, this is... There we go. Come on back. Okay. Now, which way shall I go? First question is, do you want more green, purple, violet, or black? And the question answer is, I don't know. So I'm going to tip it this way. Possibly get rid of more of the black. Ooh. Well, I'll have to say that these are some different color combinations, and I still have I still have some real chunky things going on in here. Oh my goodness. This is not good. I don't know what could be causing this. Okay, let me shoot this again and see if so big here. I could toast them, maybe barbecue them, and I could turn them into a lunch. There was a bubble. Gonna sneak up on me, were you? Okay. Okay. Let's go back to tipping. This is definitely, ooh, look at that. Well, you can't because you can't see it. Okay, I'll bring it back. Nobody likes a smart paint pour. Oh, come on. The reason I'm going this way is I'm trying to get rid of those goobers that are in the paint, and I almost have them. It's not going to leave me a whole lot to slide back the other way, though. Oh, yeah. As always, you never know what you're going to end up with. Unless you know what you're doing, which in my case is quite debatable. And we're just about out of gravity-fed opportunities here. I think we may be stuck with what I've got, which is bizarre. How the edges look. Not bad. You know what? That's weird enough to keep. Okay. So what? I'm taking my gloves off. This didn't last very long for a Saturday pour. And yep, that was another tumor. There's another one. Okay. Hey, happy spring. Happy something. I'll play with it a little bit more. I'll come back when I'm all finished dinking. May have some pollywogs in there I've got to get rid of. And some more lumpies. So stand by to stand by. I'll be back. Okay. I kind of finished fiddling around with it. And my wife bought me some balloons to try. We saw a video where they took balloons and went and kind of made balloonies. So guess what? That's exactly what I'm going to try to do. I was successfully blow up a balloon, which was not like it was when I was a kid. I could blow them up all day long. I barely got this one inflated. Anyway, I've never done this. I'm not sure where to place it. And as always, this could be either a good turnout or trash can candidate. So let's try this. Where would you put the first goober balloonie? I'm going to try it right here. Yeah, that was terrible. How do you do this? Ooh. Terrible. I think I better put some white on there. Huh. May have already ruined Nope. 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 Okay. diamonding is not what I want to do. I wonder if I can pour that off. We're going to find out. Nope. Gravity says, I'm done working with you today, Richard. That leaves one possibility. And I'm going to try this hair dryer thingy. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try Tiny Mighty, Tiny Mo here. When in doubt, blow it out. No. Let's try the old Dutch pour blow. Yeah, let's see what we have here. No, I agree with you. I don't like that either. This is crazy. Well, that kind of makes it squiggly in that corner. You know what? Ain't that bad. It's not that bad. Let's do some more. Okay, here is an up close. Still wet, but I think I'm gonna call this good and see what it looks like when it dries. It is a little bit of an explosion of color. Once again, not what I had in mind. But let's zoom in a little bit and pick up some of these crazy colors and the patterns. It looks like a garden gone crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if a gnome popped out on me. So there you go. Let's call that good for the day and see what happens after it dries for a week or so. Put some varnish on it and pop that color back out. This is Richard. Thanks for watching.